The recording?
It looks like it.
Up, come on. Lift. Come on, man. There you go. Knock it out. Nice.
Holy shit. I didn't think I had it. Right below the knee, I'm like, well, I'm not getting this. I'm like, fuck.
That's where I was. I was like, this is not moving well. Just hit the red button.
Yeah.